Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be installing this hitch mount in my Toyota Grand Highlander. This is limited model. So according to the instructions, it should be fairly easy. But again, everything looks easy, but in reality, they are not. But anyways, what you really need with this is torque wrench, of course, which goes up to at least 100 because you need 83 foot-pound of torque on this one. And you need 19mm socket, and you need something hydraulic lift or something you can use, or anything just to lift it up and keep it there. I like to use something like this because it has this notch right here, like a space, and then it holds things, it doesn't fall down from it. And the kit comes with only 3 things. So of course, hitch mount, your bolts, and the washers. So 4 bolts and 4 washers, and the nuts supposed to be inside already. So let's see what looks underneath the car. So when we go underneath the car, as you can see, these 2 places, one is this one and the one is the other one right here. So these 2 places, there the bolt's supposed to go. Now it's covered with the plastic weld nuts, they call it. So we need to take out the weld nuts. I took out one already, as you can see. It's right here on the ground. This is how it looks. And I hurt my hand a little bit, but anyways, so this is how it looks. This comes out easily. You can use a screwdriver, things like that. And let me take it out all, and then I'll get back to you. So weld nuts are out already, the plastic weld nuts. As you can see, the nuts are inside, welded or whatever they are, and looking pretty good. And this piece where the mount's gonna go, it looks fairly strong compared to other mounts I have put it on. It's because the nuts goes from this left side to inside right side, and the passenger side will go from right side to left side. So this is not the one like you run the fishing wire and then you come to the top. I guess there's a hole. Maybe there's different kind of mounts which goes that way, but then they will require to remove all these things, because otherwise how they're gonna go, right? So in this one, you don't have to remove anything, just put it right there. So let's try to put it and then see how it looks. So in order to line up, you can lift it with the jack, hydraulic jack, and you can put a jack stand right here and just hold it kind of. And then as you can see, it's kind of lining up, so it becomes pretty easy to do it. Otherwise, it's not. And if you don't have helping hand, that's what you can do. My wife is helping me, but I really don't want her to get hurt, so I'm just using all these equipments. So let's move forward and then see how it goes. It's been like 5-7 minutes already, so let's see how long it can take us. So all the 4 bolts are inside already. I have not tied them yet, but I just set up my torque wrench to 86 as they recommended, and that's what I'm going to do. So the torque is done according to the specs, and this is how it looks. So it doesn't come out too much, as you can see from the back of the car, and from the bottom, as you can see, it doesn't come out either much. The other parts right here are much more lower than this one. So yeah, so it looks pretty cool. And yeah, it took me about, I would say, about half an hour, close to half an hour. The only advice I would like to give is the bolts are not going horizontally, they're going a little bit down to upside, so that might help to a lot of people, because it wasted my, like, would say 5 minutes, just to find out why the bolts are not going in the hole, even though the hitch mount was lined up correctly with the help of hydraulic jack and stand. But yeah, that's what I found it, and that's what's not mentioned anywhere in the manual, for installation. Maybe Curt can add that, But other than that, everything looks fine, I'm going to enjoy my hitch mount, I'm gonna use it during the summer. All right, guys, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. All right, thank you, guys. Have a good one.